This will be a video on how to use the Touch-Up Solutions fill sticks and markers to take care of minor defects. We have several damaged areas on the board, a couple of cross-grain scratches, a chip, another small defect. What we want to do first is make sure that these areas are level and we don't have any splinters sticking up that could keep us from making a level repair. I'm going to look through my assortment of colors here, and I'm going to choose a color that appears to be a couple of shades darker than what we need. I believe this one will work pretty well. We're going to rub this back and forth across the defect until it fills. Once it's filled, we're going to come back with that scraper and level it, removing the excess material. We'll also fill in this chip and one of the cross grain scratches. Leave the other one unfilled to show you the what happens if we try to use a marker first before we fill. So we're going to scrape these level. I'm going to take the rag on the end of my finger and clean that surrounding area. And this will keep us from shining the area up. If I try to remove all of that wax with a rag alone, it is going to shine the area up. So we scrape off as much as we can, get it level, and then come back and clean that surrounding area. I'm going to come back in and add a little bit of color to the surface. I'll touch it and blend immediately. Again, touch, blend. Does dry in about 8 to 10 seconds, so we have to be pretty quick. Now this cross grain scratch we did not fill, and what happens, the wood absorbs that color, and now we have a scratch that's way too dark. So it's very important to fill first, like we did here, and then add your color, and that scratch will do a lot better job of disappearing and hiding. So that's a basic fill stick repair, and then also how we can come back in and add color to the top of it. Our fill sticks can be top coated with anything. It can be sprayed over with lacquer. If this was a water-based coating, we could spray a water-based coating over that. So any type of coating can go over our fill sticks.